Hello students of class 8th, welcome to your online science class. This is Shahbaz sir here. Students, in the previous class we completed chapter 8. I hope you all must have understood the chapter. If you must have gone through the links, I don't think there must be any confusions. Okay, those students who till now have not gone through the links, kindly go through it, students. It's for your betterment, it's for your knowledge. Okay, you will understand the chapter. Okay students, so in this class we're going to start chapter 9, reproduction in animals. See, when we talk about animal, students, in that category human beings also come, like me and you, and those animals that you see on the roadside, they also are in the same category. Okay, so we start with chapter 9, reproduction in animals. What do you mean by reproduction, students? See, reproduction means any process by which a organism or an animal produces its own kind. Not only animals, plants also. Okay, so the process by which any organism produces its own kind, अपनी ही तरह इंडिविजुअल्स को पैदा करना, उस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं reproduction. Okay, now there are two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is basically in plants, that is not in your syllabus. So sexual reproduction is in your syllabus. Okay, in animals, in human beings, or in the animals that you see on the roadside, which kind of reproduction occurs? It is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is any type of reproduction in which two parents are involved, one male and one female. Okay, if one male and female are involved and it produces their own kind, then that type of reproduction would be called sexual reproduction. That type of reproduction would be called sexual reproduction. And you know, in sexual reproduction, a male and a female partners are required. Okay, and both the parents, male and the female, both the parents, they produce special sex cells which are required for reproduction. Okay, those sex cells are called gametes. They are called gametes. Okay, so sexual reproduction is basically done in two steps. First is formation of gametes. जो gametes, जो sex cells आपकी body में हैं, पहले उनका formation होता है. That formation of sex cells, the process is called gametogenesis. Okay, gametogenesis. Second step is male and female gametes का fusion. When male and female gametes combine, then that process is called fertilization. Or third is development of embryo. As male and female gametes combine, it gives rise to embryo, and then that embryo is developed into a child. Okay, before I start, let us quickly understand once again. The process by which an individual produces its own kind is called reproduction. Any type of reproduction which involves two parents, male and female, it's called sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is the characteristics of animals or human beings. There are basically three steps. You can say two also, but basically there are three steps in sexual reproduction. First, formation of gametes. Gametes means sex cells which are required, which are essential for reproduction. That process is called gametogenesis. Second step is fusion of male and female gametes. उन दोनों male female gametes का fusion, the process is called fertilization. Third step is development of embryo. एक embryo means that embryo is developed into a child in the later stages. When these three steps are done, we say that sexual reproduction has occurred. Okay. The male gamete is called sperm. The male gamete या male sex cells जिसकी वजह से reproduction males में होता है, that is called sperms. And the female reproductive sex cells is called eggs or ova. अगर मेल में sperm है and female में ova है, then they combine and they gives rise to embryo. That embryo gives rise to a child. Okay, so this is your gametogenesis. Okay, I hope till now the chapter is clear. Okay, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, गैमेटोजेनेसिस, सेक्स सेल्स को बनाने के काम को क्या कहते हैं, फॉर्मेशन को गैमेटोजेनेसिस। जब दोनों सेक्स सेल मेल फीमेल कंबाइन होते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड फर्टिलाइजेशन। ओके।